In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Salesforce with Outlook. By the end, you'll have Outlook connected to Salesforce, the add-in ready in your inbox, and your contacts and calendar syncing so your work stays organized without extra copy and paste. I'll walk you through each action and call out a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by signing into Salesforce. You'll need access to setup for this part. Open the setup area from the gear icon and choose the advanced or full setup view so you can search all admin settings. In the quick find box, type Outlook integration and sync, then open that page, enable Outlook integration and sync. Turning this on allows Outlook to communicate with Salesforce and display the Salesforce panel inside your inbox. Be sure to save your changes before moving on. Next, install the Salesforce add-in for Outlook from Microsoft AppSource. You can do this from the AppSource website or directly inside Outlook by selecting Get Add-ins and searching for Salesforce. Choose the official Salesforce add-in and add it to Outlook. If your organization manages add-ins centrally, you may need an administrator to deploy it. Otherwise, it should appear for you right away. Now switch to Outlook. After the add-in installs, you'll see a Salesforce Cloud icon in the ribbon or message toolbar. Click the icon to open the panel and sign in. Select the correct Salesforce environment, complete the login, and grant the requested permissions. For convenience, pin the panel so it stays open as you work through your inbox. Return to Salesforce to configure Lightning Sync so your calendar, events, and contacts stay aligned. In Setup, search for Lightning Sync and open the configuration. Choose your email system, follow the guided connection, and set your preferences for what to sync, contacts, events, or both, and in which direction. Many teams start with bidirectional sync, so updates flow both ways, but you can tailor it to your needs. Review any options about conflict handling and time zones, then save. Give the system a moment to initialize. A quick way to confirm everything is working is to create or update a contact or meeting in Outlook and check that it appears in Salesforce, or make the change in Salesforce and look for it in Outlook. The first sync can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it's not instant. That's it. You've linked Salesforce with Outlook, enabled the integration, installed the add-in, signed in from your inbox, and set up Lightning Sync for contacts and calendar. From here, you can log emails to records, see related Salesforce details alongside messages, and keep your schedule and address book effortlessly in sync.